Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get TripAdvisor reviews using a QR code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found one of the best ways to get reviews for your TripAdvisor business listing is by using a QR code. Now, what a QR code, it makes it easy for customers to leave a review by taking them directly to your TripAdvisor review page, as you can see here. Now, instead of searching for your business manually, customers can simply scan the code with their smartphone and are taken straight to the review section. Now, in order to do this, go ahead and head on over to your TripAdvisor review page. So I'm on this one here for this demonstration. Now, what we want to do is copy that link and then go to a site or any QR code generator to generate this QR code. So one I like to use called qrcode-monkey.com. Now basically from here it's going to say enter the content, so we need to fill this out. So paste the URL in here, and then we've got options to enable statistics. But if we enable statistics, you're probably going to have to do a free sign up and it might cost money. So I haven't looked too deeply into that. So you can go check that out if you want to see some stats with your QR code. We can set your store colors. So I'm just going to set this to say red, and background color is going to be black. Now we can add a logo image if you like, and also we can customize the design. So there's got a few different designs. So we've got a body shape, iframe shape, and an eyeball shape. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that one with this type of body shape. Then to the right here, you're going to see our QR code change in a second. So we want to click on create QR code. Now here we go. So that's a new QR code I created. So if I scan that with my phone, that's going to take me over here. You can test it out by scanning your phone to double check it works. Then from here, go ahead and click on download PNG, and then you've got that image on your computer. Now, once you got the QR code, you want to place that QR code where customers are most likely to see it, such as reception desk, your restaurant tables and chairs, hotel checkout counter, tour vehicles, menus, receipts, etc., etc. And then from there, just go ahead and ask customers to scan it. So when a customer has a positive experience, politely invite them to scan the QR code and leave a review. Or you can go one step further and get them to enter in a draw that can win them a free $20 or $50 voucher at your restaurant, shop, or whatever as well. So that's probably a good way to get more reviews on your TripAdvisor listing.